Welcome to my channel, students. Today we are going to see the topic as inverse Laplace transform simultaneous equation. So that will be given two equations. You have to apply Laplace simultaneously. The question is solve the following simultaneous equation using Laplace transforms. It is given that dx over dt plus dy over dt plus x plus y equals 1. And the next equation is dy over dt equals 2x plus y. Given that x equals 0, y equals 1 at t equals 0. So this is the condition given at t equals 0. Before going to the solution, you have to know the Laplace transforms of derivatives. The derivative, if you apply, see dy by dt is a derivative. If we apply Laplace to this derivative, the formula will be s L of y minus y of 0. Similarly, the second derivative d square y over dt square equals s square L of y minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0. If you apply the third derivative like d cube y by dt cube is c s cube L of y minus s square y of 0 minus s y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. See, like this it will be there. See this difference. If you having the derivative as single time dy over dt, the s power of s starting will be s to the power 1. If you are having the derivatives as the second derivative, similarly the s will have the power as 2. Similarly for d cube, s cube will be starting. And see here, only the first term will be in the positive sense. The others will be in the negative sense. So to remember this formula is very, very easy. So for the first derivative, see, after this s to the power 1, the second term will only consist of s. Okay. Now y of 0 will be there. Similarly, the second derivative, s square is starting, so s should reduce the power. So s to the power 1 y of 0. And the last term should not consist of s. Similarly here s cube is here. S square will be there in the second one. S power 1 will be there in the third one. And finally we won't have any s value. Let us start with the solution by taking the first equation. It is given that dx over dt plus dy over dt plus x plus y equals 1. So here let us apply Laplace on both sides. So Laplace of the whole thing on the left hand side equals Laplace of 1. So now we will apply Laplace separately. L of dx over dt plus L of dy over dt plus L of x plus L of y equals L of 1. So now let us apply the answer. So see this, here the variable is x involved, it is of first degree. So the formula will be s to the power 1 L of x. Instead of y we saw there the formula. Here the variable should be written inside the bracket L of x minus x of 0. So the first term's formula gets over. Now this positive should be written here. L of dy by dt. Again the formula. See, I am just writing, separating the terms with the brackets. Second term will consist of s L of y because the variable here is y. So L of y should be written minus y of 0. And that's it. Now L of x, L of y is not having any formula. So L of x plus L of y equals, what is L of 1? L of 1, the formula is Laplace of 1 is 1 over s. Now the condition is x of 0, that is x of t. T is 0 here. See the condition, t is 0 given. So when x of 0 is there, you have to apply 0. And when y of 0 is there, you have to apply 1. So wherever you are seeing this, you can apply this in the above equation. So it will become s L of x. L of x of 0 will become 0. So just omit this. Now plus s L of y is there, and y of 0 is negative 1 here. Because symbol is negative here, 1 is there. And plus L of x plus L of y equals 1 over s. Now, L of x can be taken and L of y can be taken commonly. So, s plus 1 will be there instead of this, that is inside this L of x. Similarly, s plus 1 will be there commonly when you take L of y. And this negative 1 is a constant. Similarly, the right hand side is a constant. We can group them. So my negative 1 will become positive 1. 1 over s will remain as it is. Okay, I've taken L of x as commonly. So this coefficient is s, positive 1 is there. Similarly, L of y are taken commonly. S is there, but positive 1 is a coefficient here. That's it. Now, see, we can denote L of x as x bar and L of y as y bar to omit some confusions. So this equation, the above equation can be written as s plus 1 x bar plus s plus 1 y bar equals 1 over s positive 1. And this is our first equation. Now let us go with the second equation. It is given as dy over dt equals 2x plus 1. Now we shall apply Laplace on both sides. Now what happens? See, this is first derivative. First derivative now. So s L of y minus y of 0 will be there. And similarly, see, these are all the variables it is having. Similarly, 2 is a constant. So 2 L of x will be there plus L of y will be there. And now just apply the value y of 0. What is y of 0? It is 1. It is given here 1. Just apply here s L of y minus 1. And this is also Laplace, so we can take it to the other side. Minus, so the negative symbols will be changed. The right hand side consists of nothing, so 0 should be written. Now we can group L of y. So L of y, when I take it commonly, s will be the coefficient, and here negative 1 is there. Similarly, minus 2 L of x is there. So keep it as it is. This negative 1 is a constant. We shall take it to the other side. It becomes positive 1. And now also you can write L of x as x bar, L of y as y bar. So it becomes s minus 1 times y bar minus 2 x bar equals 1. And this is our second equation. We have to solve these two equations and we have to apply Laplace. The first equation can be multiplied by 2 to just solve them. It becomes twice s plus 1 x bar plus twice s plus 1 y bar equals, the right hand side becomes 2 over s plus 2. And the second equation can be multiplied by s plus 1 to make it cancel. One of the variables should be cancelled. It is called simultaneous solution, that is we are solving it. So minus 2 s plus 1 x bar will be there, and plus, since we are having s minus 1 y bar, the second equation, it becomes s square minus 1. I'm just applying a plus b times a minus b equals a square minus b square, the format. So y bar equals, and here 1 is the right hand side, so it is also multiplied by s plus 1. Now just cancel, which is common. See, x bar is common, we can cancel it. And what about the y bar? It becomes 2 s plus 1 plus s square minus 1 will be there. The common term is y bar equals, here 2 over s plus s is there, and 1 plus 2 is 3. We are just adding them. When you add, see, positive symbol, negative symbol, then only it will get cancelled. And here just solve it. Now 2s plus 2 plus s square minus 1 will be there. Here y bar equals, here 2, see, we can take this s as a common, that is LCM. So 2 plus s square plus 3s. And here we can rearrange with the leading coefficient. So it is s square plus 2s, and here 2 minus 1 is positive 1 times y bar equals here s square plus 3s plus 2 over s. And now we need just y bar. So y bar, and similarly here s square plus 2s plus 1. You can just factorize it. It's like x square plus 2s plus 1. When you factorize it, it becomes, see, 1 times 1 is positive 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are getting the answer as s plus 1. The factors are positive 1 twice. So s plus 1 the whole square of y bar equals s square plus 3s plus 2 over s. And now this y bar can be rearranged. It has what? L of y. So L of y will be here in the left hand side. Now s plus 1 the whole square can be taken to the other side. So s square plus 3s plus 2 over s times s plus 1 the whole square. And here, from here, we have to solve for your y. See, this Laplace we don't need. So y equals Laplace inverse. Laplace, when coming to the other side, it becomes Laplace inverse s square plus 3s plus 2 over s times s plus 1 the whole square. Just take the terms which is inside the bracket of Laplace inverse. So s times s plus 1 the whole square. Now, we can write it as a over s plus b over s plus 1 the whole square plus c over s plus 1. I have given you the steps that this step can be written in another way, like a over s plus b over s plus 1 plus c over s plus 1 the whole square. It's your wish. And after taking, you can take the LCM in the right hand side, s plus s times s plus 1 the whole square. A will be having s plus 1 the whole square, b will be having s, and c will be having s times s plus 1. And see the denominator, it will be cancelling on both sides, s plus 1 the whole square. See, if these are same, we can cancel on both sides. Now, what should be included? That is, what should be the value of s to have the value of a, b, c? Just imagine, if you apply s as negative 1, what happens? A of negative 1, positive 1, it becomes 0. So a becomes 0 and c also becomes 0. But see here, the left hand side, just apply the value. Negative 1 square is positive 1 plus 3 times negative 1. So it becomes negative 3 and positive 2. Here a becomes 0. And what happens to b? B becomes negative 1, the coefficient, and c also becomes 0. And just solve this. It is 3, negative 3. So the answer is 0. So 0 equals negative b. So what happens? B equals 0. So one constant we have got. Now, what else you can apply? Just if you apply the value of s as 0, see here bs. So only here you have to apply 0. So b will become 0. And similarly, c will also become 0. We can get the value of a. So here s square will become 0. 3s becomes 0. 2 will be there. So 2 equals a of 1 square. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So what is the value of a? A becomes 2. Now the only value is c. To find c, we can compare the coefficients. So we can compare the coefficients of what to find c. It's your wish. You can go with the constant because c is having here the value will be like a times s square plus 2s plus 1, and b is s, and c is like s square plus s. So you can go with s square or s. So comparing the coefficient of s square, I'm just going with. So in the left hand side, it is the value of coefficient of s square is positive 1. So 1 equals. Here the coefficient of s square is a, and also the coefficient of s square is c. Like this. We know that a equals 2. Just apply there 2 plus c. So what happens? What is my c? C equals negative 1. Clear? Now just apply these values in this equation. So what happens? Y equals Laplace inverse of, what is my A? A is 2. So 2 over S plus, what is B? B is 0. So B is getting cancelled. And my C is negative 1. So negative 1 over S plus 1 is there. And now just split this Laplace inverse 2 over S negative Laplace inverse 1 over S plus 1. So this 2 over S Laplace inverse, when you apply the value is just 2 times 1, so 2 minus Laplace inverse of 1 over S plus 1 is e to the power minus t. So this is my y. You have to find the value of x because the solution is asked. So dy by dt. This is the second equation they have given in the question. Just I am taking it, and 2x is there. See, it is the easiest question comparing with the first and second equation from the given question. This is the easiest one. So 2x equals dy over dt minus y. This y, when going to the other side, becomes negative y. Here we know the value of y. We have found here. Just apply here 2 minus e to the power minus t. With respect to dt, you have to differentiate this and minus again your y value. 2 minus e to the power negative t. And what happens when you differentiate this? 2 becomes 0 and e to the power negative t will becomes again negative will be there. So positive e to the power negative t will be there. And here just remove the bracket, minus 2 plus e to the power negative t will be there, and just cancel these two. That is just solve these two. Will be getting 2 e to the power negative 2 minus 2, and you can take your 2 commonly outside. So the answer will be twice e to the power negative t minus 1. So here we have got 2x. So what happens? Our x equals e to the power negative t minus 1. So this is the corresponding solution. So this is the solution. So after this, finally, you have to write the solution commonly. So the solution is x equals e to the power negative t minus 1 and y equals 2 minus e to the power negative t. And that's the answer. From the previous video, I have given the question as find the inverse Laplace transform of the function s by s square plus 16 times s minus 2. The answer is minus 1 over 10 cos 4t plus 1 over 5 sin 4t plus 1 over 10 e to the power 2t. And today's question from this simultaneous equation is solve the simultaneous equation using Laplace transform dx over dt plus twice dy by over dt equals e to the power negative t, and dx over dt plus 2x minus y equals 1. The condition is x of 0 and y of 0 is 0. Just try this question and just see this answer in the next video. Thank you, students.